My fellow Africans, the crescent moon has risen over our continent, Africa, and the sacred month of Ramadan has begun. On behalf of the African Union, I wish our Muslim brothers and sisters well during this holy month. In Bamako, in Mogadishu, in N'Djamena, in Dar es Salaam, in Cairo and in Cape Town, during this month, Muslims will fast from sunrise to sunset and engage in acts of devotion and charity. Ramadan is a time for reflecting on the values of humility, simplicity, sacrifice, and solidarity. Sadly, Ramadan this year will not be as it was last year. We are in the shadow of a global public health emergency. The coronavirus pandemic has left no area of the world untouched. A number of countries have imposed measures to contain the spread of the virus, and this means that many of the Ramadan traditions, like praying at the mosque, making the Umrah pilgrimage, and visiting family and friends are not taking place. If we are to prevail against this pandemic, we have to stand united and observe the provisions that are in place to safeguard our own health and the health of others. At a time when millions of people face hunger, destitution, and misery, the charitable acts performed during Ramadan are more sorely needed than ever. It will be a long and difficult road to restore our societies. The Ramadan spirit of giving and of charity will continue to be needed for a long time to come. As Africans, we will emerge from this hardship with a new consciousness. We will understand, and perhaps as never before, our great duty to help and support those less fortunate than ourselves will be enhanced. As the Holy Quran says, if anyone saves a life, it is as if they have saved the life of the whole of humankind. May this blessed month be a time in which we strengthen the bonds of solidarity that exist between us as Africans. Ramadan Kareem.